This time our topic is all about cryptocurrency mining. And yes, just random thoughts that I may share and of course opinion na based lang din sa aking first-hand experience and a very quick video. At isi-share ko po lahat ito mga kaibigan para mabigyan kayo ng warning if nagbabalak kang pumasok sa cryptocurrency or balak mong magmina ng cryptocurrency. Now for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website. Okay, so diretsahan na lang tayo mga kaibigan. Let's go to the first thing na pwedeng gawin ng isang gustong magmina ng cryptocurrency. Unang-una is of course check the video cards, availability, prices, and then at the same time, ilan ang kaya niyang minahin per day, per month, or until when ko makukuha yung ROI. Now, let's set an example na yung Ethereum and of course an RTX 3070 that it's most likely the video card that you may avail kung gusto mong pumasok sa cryptocurrency as of this time. Dahil nga wala na masyadong video cards na around 20k and below and yung mga higher video cards or top of the line hindi na rin naman feasible for a cryptocurrency. So let's settle down with a mid level choice, RTX 3070. Ang RTX 3070 can mine 0.003 Ethereum per day. Magkano ang RTX 3070? Running at around 70k more or less as of now. And 0.003 Ethereum, that is 0.09 Ethereum per month, and most likely after 1 year makakamina ka ng isang Ethereum sa isang RTX 3070. Now, if you will calculate or might predict, most likely by then, mas mahal na over the 100k pricing ng Ethereum as of now. And kung iisipin mo, most likely nabawi mo na yung video card and kumita ka pa. Siyempre, pag kamina mo ng isang Ethereum, of course, ikikip mo yan para tumaas pa. Pero what if, ang ginawa mo na lang sana, instead na bumili ka ng video card, bakit hindi ka na lang bumili ng Ethereum as of now? Since the price of Ethereum is almost the price of a video card na RTX 3070. And given the fact that when you buy a video card, bibili ka rin ng iba pang components and most likely aabot din ng 100k, and then meron ka pang overhead expenses like kuryente and of course effort and then some technical miscellaneous expenses. Kaya kung iisipin mo sa kabilang banda, mas reasonable pa na bumili ka na lang ng isang Ethereum. Kung ganun lang din naman yung magiging expenses mo. Kasi kung hindi lang sana sobrang taas ang value ng isang video card. Like RTX 3070 supposedly nasa 30k to 35k. So dalawang video card sana mabibili mo. And after 1 year, dalawang Ethereum sana yung ma-accumulate mo. Kung ganun sana yung pwedeng mangyari, reasonable na mag-start kang magmina ngayon. Pero hindi ganun ang sitwasyon ngayon. Doble yung presyo ng video card. Kaya to cut it short, cryptocurrency mining is already very late as of today. Kung ngayon ka palang papasok. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, bumili na lang kayo ng cryptocurrency. Kung sobrang namamahalan kayo sa presyo ngayon kasi nasa all-time high siya, most likely, after a bullish run, magkakaroon ng dip yan. Kasi nga, syempre, those institution or those whales sa cryptocurrency will sell para magkaroon sila ng profit. Automatically, babagsak yan. It will not be like before, 3 to 5 years ago, na merong sudden peak at saka sudden dip. Now, siguro gradual yung pagbaba. Pero at least, ang gagawin mo, kung meron kang 100k, ibili mo muna yung 50k. Then, pag bumagsak ulit, bili mo ulit yung another 25k. Pag bumagsak ulit, bili mo yung 25k. At least, pag naibili mo na lahat yung allocated budget mo, i-hold mo na lang siya and then wait for 1 year or 2 years, doon ka kikita ng sobrang laki. Kung ayaw mong gawin yung buy low, sell high style or trading style, wala kang time, it's like you will think na sa mining kasi parang passive lang siya. Wala ka nang masyadong inaasikaso unless nagkaroon ng nawalan ng kuryente, nawalan ng internet, or nagkaroon ng technical error, doon ka lang magkakaroon ng concern. If you want to be in that kind of scenario na passive siya, ganun yung gawin mo. Mag-hold ka lang ng cryptocurrency. And yan lang po yung masishare ko about sa cryptocurrency mining as of now. If you are a bit questionable sa aking ideas, na siguro sinasabi ko lang to dahil gusto kong bigyan ng pabor yung mga gamers para bumagsak ang video card sa ating market. You may do some counter-checking. You may ask some long-term cryptocurrency miners what are their thoughts, kung anong masasabi nila. And if you have questions about how is my stand pagdating sa cryptocurrency, I'm no hypocrite. I've been here for a very, very long time that you may think. And the mere fact is, I've even this server PSUs here with me na ginagamit ko pa before. Back then na okay pa naman ang ating market. Enough pa yung mga video cards. Hindi pa ganun kataas yung hype. There was a hype in the second mining craze, pero it's not as the situation right now na meron na pandemic shortage, silicon, electronic, and other kind of shortage. Tapos dumagdag pa ang mining, so nagkaroon ng bloated masyado na demand pagdating sa GPU market, kaya sobrang taas. Kumbaga kung tutuusin ngayon, hindi na talaga siya reasonable, especially that kung iisipin din natin, parating na rin naman sa point na hindi na mineable ang Ethereum. Yes, there are shitcoins, altcoins out there that you may still try para sa Ethereum na reward. Pero in the end of the day, those are still a bit risky. Kumbaga, technically, kung matagal ka nang nagbimina, okay, you may go. Pero kung ngayon ka palang magsisimula, you might struggle along the way kung gusto mong itry yung ganong mga strategy or methods. I know there are some old-time miners out there that they may say na that advice is, I think, pwede lang sa mga beginners or sa mga papasok pa lang. And tama naman. Well, totoo yun. If all-time miner ka, then you may still do some kind of risk dahil kabisado mo naman na yung pasikot-sikot. Pero this specific video na ginawa ko is for those guys na gustong magdagdag ng video card or those guys na hindi masyadong technically kabisado kung paano ang mining or those guys na ngayon pa lang papasok sa cryptocurrency mining. So that is my quick video for now. And for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.